Hello everyone, you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to share the experience that I learned in my reading, writing and teaching career. The first and foremost thing that I would like to share with you all that whenever I started learning, I get disappointed sometimes, but I never surrender myself. I never give up myself. I faced challenges. I faced hardships. I faced difficulties in my ways of learning. But I never surrender myself. Because I knew if I will surrender, if I will give up, I will never succeed. I will never succeed. The only one thing that will make you winner, the persistence of your learning, the consistency of your learning. Whenever I started learning a speaking course, I joined speaking English classes. I also belong to the village. I also have the same people like you around myself. That atmosphere was totally different. There were Hindi speakers around me, even rural language, local language speakers, Audhi, Braji. There was a big challenge before me to learn English. When I started learning English, some of my friends used to say that you can't. But I make up my mind that I will learn. I will speak at any cost. Whatever will happen, I will face. I started learning monologue system. I was alone when I was learning. Nobody at my home was speaking English. That was a big challenge. I make up mind that I will learn through monologue system. Monologue is a system in which we talk to ourselves. That generally a teacher teach. That you learn by yourself. Because a line that is stuck in my mind. You are the best helper of yourself. I does the same. Because my teacher always used to say that you can learn English by yourself. Nobody is in the world who can teach you until you desire, until you decide. So you will have to take decision to complete your dream, to complete your desire. You know that everyone wants, everyone has desire, but you need a burning desire that insists you from inside, that you are power, that give you energy to boost your mind, to inspire your mind. Everyone search a source of motivation. Your dream, your desire is a great source of inspiration and motivation. No need to read inspirational stories. Just you inspire your mind by your circumstances. The circumstances you have today will decide your future tomorrow. You know that circumstances are more powerful than man, but Struggle can change circumstances. You just keep in your mind that you will not surrender. You will not give up. The only one thought will make you winner one day. A quotation that has been quoted by Mr. Shiv Khera. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently. So if you want to be a winner, do the same thing in different way, because you are a winner, you are a victor, and a victor never surrender. I always used to say that never surrender yourself. When you surrender, you lose every hopes that you have. When you determine, when you decide that I will certainly do, if anybody can do, I can too. If anybody can do, I can too. I can do, I will do. Definitely I will do. Certainly I will do. This word will give you energy. This word will motivate you. Your struggle is your motivation. Our luck is not written in our palms, in the line of our palms, in the line of our hand. Our destination, our fortune is in our hand. Whatever we want to do, just start. Begin the things that you want to do. Surely you will succeed one day. Since then I decided that I will speak. Later I become a trainer, English language trainer. I trained more than 500 students. Right now some are out of country. Some are nationwide. Even today, I always give my 100% to my students who is following me. I really consider that if you are doing good things, if you are following your passion, change your passion into your profession. That I did. I changed my passion into my profession. Speaking English became my passion. I changed it into my profession. And today, with confidence, I speak, I teach. I become as a master trainer. This is totally done by the firm determination and desire. So if you want, you can do. Let us meet again in the next video. Bye.